What's up guys, it's your girl Rochelle with 31 Gifts. Guess what I got in the mail? Oh, free product! Earlier this month, I attended 31's product premiere for the 2018 Spring Summer catalog and we got something free. But first, if you love bags, if you love totes, if you love to organize, if you love giveaways, deals, and specials, don't forget to hit the like button, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and we can get to it. I'm excited. I haven't opened it yet, so we are both going to be experiencing this at the same time. So far, this is what I've got so far. It is the Crossbody organizing tote. What else we got? I brought a guest, so my guest gets hers too. Let's open it. I am super excited. I actually get a catalog. I ordered my business supplies a couple weeks ago and I haven't yet gotten the catalog. I did upload it on YouTube, so don't, if you want to take a look at what's inside. But wow, it is so pretty. Look at it. I am super excited about the customizable crossbody bags and handbags. That's super cool. So we got a catalog. This is a little FYI flyer about the Crossbody organizing tote. Just for you guys to know, it is about 30 inches by 12 by 5.5 inches in diameter, and it's a new product for the 2018 Spring Summer catalog. It is so pretty. Look at this print, guys. This is a new print. Can you see that? Can you see that? It's kind of cool. It has a damask. It's navy blue with some like teal turquoise. Almost looks like a Tiffany blue. Some grays and then another kind of blue. It looks great. Okay, so far we've got 2 bags over here, or 2 pockets. We got another pocket, mesh pocket on the side over here, and sorry baby, another mesh pocket over here. It has a zipper that you can open, and it's super roomy inside. I could put my head over it. Ah! Inside there is another pocket right there that you can slip your cell phone in. Probably is a great idea. It looks like you can tuck this guy in. Oh, that's super cool for a shorter look. Or if you don't want to zip up the bag, some people don't like zippers, they just like to throw things. So that's a good function. A lot of people like the zipper, and this way you can fold it up, zip it up, and it actually gives you what? Another good 2 inches of more stash to put in there. It comes with your 2 handles, so if you can carry it like that, and you can wear it as a crossbody. Hello, crossbody organizing tote. And it is adjustable. So there you have it, guys. It looks great. It feels great. It's a new bag. At the product premiere, they said that they interviewed several teachers and nurses about what makes a great organizing tote, and this is what they kind of came up with. It looks like it's a mini version of the large zip top organizing tote. So this is the crossbody. This could be a good beach bag. This could be used in a lot of things. So now I get to model it for you. Guys, it's a 2 thumbs up for me. What do you guys think about it? Comment below what you think you could possibly do with this bag. So there you have it, guys, my review of the Crossbody organizing tote. It is a big win. If you want one of these in your hands, go to the description box, check out my link, or you can get this guy for free. You just gotta do 3 things. Give me a thumbs up with a like for this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and write in the comments, I want this bag! And the winner will be chosen at the end of the month, January 31st. All right, good luck to you guys. Bye.